Hey devs, be kind here and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your own keycard doors in your own Roblox game. So first we're going to insert a part, which will be the keycard door. And in this tutorial, I'll be including keycard IDs. So we're going to do key IDs for each corresponding door. So we're going to type key door for its name, and then you can name it whatever you want, and we're going to have and then the key ID value will go into all doors and the keys. So we'll be creating keys and we'll name them handles. So whoops, and then it'll grant you access to a specific colored door according to the colored key, which will be by the color of the key. Sorry, I accidentally named those handles in its plural, so yeah. Anyways, we're going to insert a tool, which will be the red and blue tool. So you're actually going to be inserting two tools, sorry. And that will be the blue one, that will be the red one. So now, and dang it, I forgot. I almost forgot I had to put the key IDs here, so. And then key ID, which will be, we'll put them by numbers, but you can have your IDs whatever you want. And then they will respond to a specific value. So yep, those are what the doors will be responding to. So now for each corresponding key door, you need to insert a script. And actually, before I do that, I'm going to insert an error message GUI, which will let the player know either if they need a key or if they have an invalid key. So that's what I'll do first. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I will do it. But it's best. So actually, I meant to say that you don't have to do it, but I highly recommend you do that so that players know why they can't access the door. So we're going to create the message, and we'll leave it blank so that way, and then there will be an error event. So then we're going to make a script which will show a message on the screen if they encounter an error. So message text equals message, and we'll have it go on for actually 4 seconds, and then it will remain blank again. So there we go. That's how it'll be doing it. So now we can start scripting the door. So script.parent.touch to call it connect function t. So t.parent find first. Okay, I need to find that function. Okay, find first child, which is a okay, I think I got it right. Oh yeah, I got it right. Good. We're gonna use tool there, and then if they don't have a tool, then and then we're gonna have it say key ID here, and find first child key ID. Then if they don't have any of the following, then it'll fire an error message. Fire client. Game.players. That'll get the players. So there you go. T.parent.name. And they have to, in this tutorial, I'm actually going to make it so that you have to have the key out to access the door. So you can do it. After the tutorial, you can actually edit your way if you want. Like, you can make it so it at least has to be in your inventory before you go, or you can make it like so that you have to have it out to enter. So, you see, you do not have a key. You do not have a key to enter this door. To go through this door. Oopsies, I misspelled through. And then we're going to get key. We're going to do it like this. So dot value equals script dot parent dot key ID dot value, then else fire client, then t dot parent dot name, and then it'll error to the player that's saying an invalid key. Please try a different one. Please try a different one. There we go. So then, transparency equals 1 script dot can collide is false. We're going to have it eventually close the door, so. And let's do it like that, just like what I did for the owner door in the last tutorial. So we're going to make it so that, there we go. So let's see if it works. Invalid key. Please try a different one. Now, if I touch it without a key, then it says, you do not have a key to go through the store. Whoops, dang it, I forgot that it's unanchored. And also, I'll clone that script into that one too, so sorry, stupid me, I forgot. Alright, so when we touch a door, it says, you do not have a key to go through this door. And even if I touch that one, it says, you do not have a key to go through this door. So if I'm using a red key on that blue door, it'll say, invalid key, please try a different one. And if I use the blue key on the red door, it'll say an invalid key, please try a different one. But if I use the red key on the red door, it'll let me in. And if I use the blue key on that door, it'll let me in that door too. So yeah, thank you for watching my tutorial. Please leave a like, make a friendly comment, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.